How to send yourself money on Cash App. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to send yourself money on Cash App. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. If you are wondering if you can send money to yourself on Cash App or not, then the answer is yes, you can use Cash App to transfer money to yourself. However, you will need to have two separate Cash App accounts. One account will be the sender and the other account will be the recipient. You will also need to have both accounts verified. This means that you will need to link a bank account or debit card to each account that you have completed the Cash App identity verification process. Now, to transfer money to yourself in Cash App, firstly create an account. To use Cash App, you need to create an account. You can either create multiple accounts with different credentials or have one verified and another unverified. Now, open the app. Once you have your Cash App account, open the application on your device. Next, enter the amount. Enter the amount you want to send to yourself and further, provide the necessary details such as your hashtag dollar, email address, or phone number. Finally, tap on the Pay option. After entering the purpose of the transaction, tap on the Pay button to complete the transfer. It's important to note that if you are using an unverified account, there may be limitations on transaction amounts. So, this is how you can send yourself money on Cash App. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.